2026 tax refund update. In today's video, the IRS has released the first numbers on how the 2026 tax filing season is going, and there's also a new update on the PATH refunds. So make sure you stay tuned for all of that, as well as the next direct deposit date shared and much more. But before we begin, as always, welcome back, everyone. So very happy to have you back for another update. This information is being shared from IRS.gov. Let's begin with, where is your 2026 tax refund? Let's recap that you can check the status of your 2026 tax refund using the Where is My Refund tool 24 hours after you e-file a current tax return and 3 to 4 days after you e-file a prior tax return and 4 weeks after you file a paper return. Now let's go over how the refund status work. Return received means that the IRS received your tax return and they are processing it. Refund approved means that the IRS has approved your tax refund and they are preparing to issue it by the date shown on the Where is My Refund tool. And refund sent means that the IRS has sent your tax refund to your bank, or if you are receiving it by mail, they have mailed it to you. Now, it may take 5 business days for your bank to make your tax refund available. Make sure you are always checking your bank accounts for your 2026 tax refund direct deposits as well. Now, the IRS has updated the first numbers for the 2026 tax filing season, and currently total tax returns received for 2026 is 22,351,000, and that is a decrease of -5.2% compared to last year at the same time. And total returns processed so far for the 2026 tax filing season, 20,623,000, and that is also a decrease of 12.3% compared to 2025 at the same time. And total amount refunded in dollars is $16.954 billion in refund dollars issued so far, and the average refund is $2,290, and that is an increase from 2025 when the average refund during the same time frame was $2,065. Make sure to share with us in the comments if you did receive an increased tax refund for the 2026 tax filing season. Now let's continue with the PATH Act. The IRS also updated a note in terms of those numbers, stating those numbers do not include millions of EITC and additional child tax credit refunds. And that is because the refund numbers expected to be released February 27th will show refunds processed through February 20th. So that is the timeline for you to start receiving your EITC and your additional child tax credit refunds, because the IRS is reporting that the next release of numbers for February 27th will include refunds processed through February 20th. And the next direct deposit date shared is March 9, 2026. Make sure to check your IRS online transcript for your next direct deposit date, and make sure to share with us in the comments. Stay tuned for how to contact the IRS. Contact the IRS at 1-800-829-1040, and you can contact the Taxpayer Advocate Service for assistance as well, especially if you are experiencing financial hardship due to your tax refund being delayed. You can contact them at 1-877-777-4778. 8. You can also schedule an in-person appointment by calling 844-545-5640. You can also contact your local state representative by going to house.gov, put in your zip code, finding your representative, and you can contact them to receive assistance in finding out what the delay is. So make sure to explore all of these options to find out what is causing the tax refund delay. And don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and come back for more tax refund updates and breaking news. Bye-bye.